This week I'm testing the Mazda CX-9. It's a 7-seater SUV. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. In the back of the Mazda CX-9 there are ISOFIX in the two outer second row seats. They are within plastic guides and nice and easy to connect to. Now there are top tether anchorages on the back of all 5 rear seats, 4 within plastic guides, and then the central second row seat, it's right at the bottom, a little metal top tether anchorage on its own. All relatively easy to access by bringing the seat backs forwards and through the boot for the third row. Now, the fantastic thing in the back of the CX-9 is you can easily get 5 large child seats, which is really good. Now, legroom is really good as well. With a rear-facing child seat in the second row, we could easily get a 180 centimetre passenger in the front and in the third row, so legroom is really good. Now, these second row seats, they move really nicely as well, giving you access to the third row seats even with your child seats installed, which is excellent. And there's a new press button just down on the side of the seat to help bring those seats forward as well. Also, the good thing in the back here in the second row is the seats are split 60-40 and the 40% is on the curb side, which is another great feature. Storage in the third row is good. There are large cup holders on both sides. Now they'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup, and a large refillable water bottle will fit in them too. Leg and headroom are really good in the third row. I'm 162 centimetres and I've got enough headroom back here. Also, visibility is really good out of this third row as well. Storage in the second row of the Mazda CX-9 is really good. There's a fold down in the central seat back with 2 cup holders. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. And there's a lidded tray behind that with 2 USBs and good for charging your phone in there. On the back of both front seats are 2 mat pockets that will hold and conceal an iPad. And the door bins are a good size in the back here. They will hold a large refillable water bottle. In the front, the storage is good. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a large refillable water bottle and a reusable and disposable coffee cup fit in them too. Behind them, the central console box is a good size and it's got a split lid. In front of the gear lever is a phone charging well, and the glove box is a good size in here. It would hold my wallet and my iPad with the manual. There's a glasses case in the ceiling, and the door bins are a good size. They'll hold a large refillable water bottle. Let's see how much we can fit in the boot of the Mazda CX-9. When using all 7 seats, 6 shopping bags will fit. Or when using only 5 seats, 17 shopping bags will fit. Or a twin side-by-side stroller will fit with 7 shopping bags. SILVERCROSS have also kindly provided us with some prams, so we'll see how well they fit too. When using all 7 seats, the SILVERCROSS Coast pram with seat will fit in the boot of the Mazda CX-9 with 1 shopping bag. The SILVERCROSS Pioneer pram with seat will also fit in the boot of the Mazda CX-9 with 1 shopping bag. The SILVERCROSS Jet compact stroller will fit in the boot of the Mazda CX-9 with 4 shopping bags. A small dog will also fit in this boot. When using 5 seats, the SILVERCROSS Wave double pram with bassinet and seat will fit in the boot of the Mazda CX-9 with 9 shopping bags. The SILVERCROSS Wave double pram with 2 seats will also fit in the boot of the Mazda CX-9 with 9 shopping bags. The SILVERCROSS Pioneer pram with bassinet will fit in the boot of the Mazda CX-9 with 9 shopping bags. The SILVERCROSS Pioneer pram with seat will fit in the boot of the Mazda CX-9 with 9 shopping bags. The SILVERCROSS Coast pram with bassinet will fit in the boot of the Mazda CX-9 with 9 shopping bags. And the SILVERCROSS Coast pram with seat will also fit in the boot of the Mazda CX-9 with 9 shopping bags. The SILVERCROSS Jet compact stroller will fit in the boot of the Mazda CX-9 with 14 shopping bags. A large dog will also fit in this boot. Thank you again to SILVERCROSS for providing these prams. Please visit their website at SILVERCROSS.com.au. The Mazda CX-9 is a really nice car to drive. It is quite big, but it doesn't really feel it to manoeuvre and to park, which is great. It's nice and smooth, there's plenty of room inside for everybody. It's got speed sign recognition, so it lets you know on your head-up display and on the screen in front of you what speed you should be doing all the time, which is great. The media system in the Mazda CX-9 is nice and easy and simple to navigate. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto now, which is fantastic and makes a huge difference. You control it with a knob down in the central console. Now when you put the CX-9 into reverse, the camera image, it is a little bit pixelated, but it's really nice and big and fills the whole screen. And you can turn those parking sensors off easily with a button by the driver's right knee. To sum up with the Mazda CX-9, it really is a fantastic 7-seater family car. With 5 child seats easily installed, excellent third row access, and that boot space and media system are good too.